Discover how you can transform your life with Amatip IT. Imagine a life where you are earning more, running a successful business, and unlocking exciting career opportunities. We are dedicated to making financial empowerment accessible and achievable for everyone. How do we do this? By using smart strategies to navigate today's complex information landscape and provide innovative solutions, personalized coaching, and mentorship that catalyzes real change. Rocket. Our professional UI, UX design courses are highly rated. Here's what John, one of our successful alumni, had to say: Amatip IT changed my life. With the skills I acquired, I landed my dream job within months. What sets us apart? Our commitment to your transformation. Our experts are not just trainers. They're mentors devoted to your success. Don't miss out. For a limited time, do you want to join us in the UI, UX design training program now? Kindly come with me and stay connected. Subscribe or follow us to continue your journey towards transformation. Your success is our success. Glowing star.
You are welcome back to UI UX Design Professional course powered by Amatip IT, an IT company based in London, United Kingdom. We are in the introduction session of this professional course on UI UX design, and we are in part 6 of this introduction session, in which we'll be talking about UI UX design tools. In the previous section, the previous part in the introduction session, we have discussed about product design, what is UI UX design, why is UI UX design important, the UI UX design process, the skill needed in UI UX design, what's the difference between the normal UI design, the normal UI UX designer, and the professional UI UX designer that you are about to become one of them if you follow this training from the beginning to the end. And at the moment, we will be talking about the UI UX design tools. Okay, there are different processes involved in UI UX design, and each of these processes have tools that are suitable to them. So in this section, we will be discussing tools suitable to each of these processes in UI design, and this will make you become a better and a professional UI designer or UX designer that can work at any industry once you are familiar with all these tools that we are using at industry to solve real life problem. Okay, so the first set of tools I will be introducing you to are the research tools, because the first process, the first phase of UI UX design process is the research, and the tools that you need for your research process are these. The first one which I will recommend is Optima Workshop. Optima Workshop is a very good tools that you can use to shortcut treat testing or carry out online survey when you are carry out your research process in your UX design journey. Okay, and another tools we will recommend for industrial level is SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is all-in-one platform for creating and distributing survey with analysis feature. Like once you get your result, your survey, you can also analyze your results on this platform. Okay, and another good tools for research is Look Back, which is specialized in video based user research. Is another good tools that you can use to carry out your research in UX design journey. Okay, so let's move to another set of tools, which is ideation and workshopping tools. You have carried out your research and you have different information from different sources that will be useful and those that will not be useful in your design process. So you might need to sort all this idea into different category, pick out the useful, filter, sorting, and the likes. What type of tools can you use to achieve that? Or you want to do workshopping, what type of tools will help you achieve that? So I find out these two tools are good and they are industrial standard tools that any company can use. And once you master any one of them, even if you want to learn another tools, it will be very easy for you because there are some level of some conventional practice in almost all these ideation and workshopping tools. So Miro is very good collaborative whiteboard tools where you can do ideation session and design, printing, wireframing, and the likes. And we also have Figma. It's an online whiteboard tools where you can do sketching, you can brainstorm, you can carry out you can create your user flow mapping and the likes with Figma. So if you like these tools, it's a very good one as well. So that is that about ideation and workshopping tools. So we'll be moving to another set of tools, which is UI design tools. These tools, they are specially made for UI design purpose, and the first one is Sketch. But the limitation in Sketch is that Sketch only work on Mac system. Sketch will not work on Windows system. So if you are using Windows, you might not, or your company that you'll be working with after the training program is using Sketch, is using Windows system, Windows operating system, you might not able to use Sketch because Sketch can only work on Mac. But we also have a similar one, which is Figma. Figma work on any system because it's a cloud-based design tools. You just need a browser to use Figma, and you can use it on any operating system because it's a cloud-based design tools. Okay, and the next one is Adobe XD. Adobe XD is another good tools for UI design. It's a vector-based UI user experience design tools for web app and for mobile app. So you can use it for both mobile app and web application. And also we have Proto.io. It's another prototyping tools that you can use to create fully interactive prototype. Moving from that, we will be talking about Origami Studio. Origami Studio is also a widely known design tool. This tool was created by Facebook and it is totally free. So if you are looking for a free tools for your UI design or you want to use it for practice, you can look into Origami. It is free and it is developed by Facebook to be building and designing interactive UI or user interface. Okay, And the last on this list of this set of tools for UI design is Webflow. The good thing about Webflow is that you can design, you can build, and you can launch your responsive website for visual user interface, a complete project on Webflow. Okay, so you can also try that out. And this is just like introduction of all these tools to you. When we get to the stage in the training program, we will lay your hand on each of these tools practically, because you will join our team to be working on a real-life project with each of these tools, which will make you become proficient in using any of these tools for your UI design or UX design. And these are the tools that you'll be used in almost any industry that you'll be working, any company you'll be working with, because they are industrial standard tools for UI design and for other aspects of work like research tools, ideation and workshopping tools and the like. So let's move to the next set of tools, which is UX design tools. And the first on our list here is Bashami, which is a very good rapidly wireframing tools that you can use to carry up, that you can use to work fast, like produce a wireframe fast and smarter. Okay, it's a very good UX design tools. You'll be exposed to all these tools, and it's not compulsory that you know all of them, but at least once you know one or two of these tools, anytime you go for interview and they ask you which UX design you are good at, if you're good in any of these, it will definitely give you a strong opportunity ahead of other candidates that are not exposed to all these industrial tools. Okay, so we also have user testing, which provide user testing for design concept. For instance, you have a design concept that you have designed, you can use these tools to test your concept, whether it is valid or not, whether it's good or not. And also we have Hotjar. Hotjar is a behavior analytic and user feedback service. So you can use this to study the behavior of your user and get their feedback in order to make improvement on your design or on your product. Okay, and the last on this set of tools is Flowmap. Flowmap is another good tool that you can use to create a visual sitemap and also use it to create a user flow diagram, which is a very good tool that you can use to carry out your UX design work. Okay, so let's move to the last set of tools, which is collaboration tools. In UI UX design, mostly when you are working in company or you are working in industry, you will be working in team. You will be working with many other UI UX designer, working together, working in collaboration with the development team and the likes, in which you will need a good understanding of collaborating tools such as InFusion Studio, okay, and Mapper, which is also good for collaboration on wireframe markup and prototype and the likes. We also have Framer S, is another rapid prototyping and design tools that you can use in real life, real-time collaboration. And the last on the list for this category of tools is USP, is another good tools that you can use for interactive prototyping design. So these are the tools you will be exposing to as we move on in the training program for your UI UX design. And if you check many of the job description out there, you will see that most of the tools they will be require you to have skill on will be one of these tools that we have mentioned here, in which this is guaranteeing you that this training will prepare you to become a professional UI UX designer at the end of the training program, because you will understand the practical aspect and the theoretical aspect in which you will be able to carry out any project successfully in UI UX design. Okay, so in the next part of this introduction section, we will be moving to the next stage where we'll be talking about why do you need to study, or why do you need to become a UI UX designer? What are the career opportunities in this field? Okay, I will be exposing you how can you get job, where should you look for job, what is salary expectation look like, is it a lucrative field, is this something that worth the effort or not, is it easy to learn, whatever. All those aspects, the career opportunity in short, will be discussed in detail in the next section of the introduction section. Okay, so goodbye for now. Thank you for listening.